Demonstration using a mobile phone with damaged Wi-Fi function. Before repairing, connect your phone to the Shalu PC and try to read the Wi-Fi SN. If Shalu PC cannot detect the Wi-Fi SN, need to disassemble NAND. Use #H7 programmer to query Wi-Fi SN. Start removing the motherboard. Place the motherboard on the heating table for heating and stratification. Take the motherboard and implant the new Wi-Fi module. Dismantle the Wi-Fi module. Solder dragging. Thoroughly clean. H7 programmer plus pound dedicated original chip. Switch disk page. Click to write Wi-Fi SN. Write the red out Wi-Fi SN. Precision installation. Meeting 100% original factory process standards. Put the motherboard with the original loop and Wi-Fi module installed on the middle test rack for testing. Wi-Fi function is perfectly repaired. Serial number is consistent.